Today, let's learn about a colorful and clever bird, the parrot. Parrots are bright, beautiful birds. They come in many colors: red, green, yellow, and blue. Parrots can fly high in the sky with their strong wings. They have curved beaks to crack nuts and eat fruits. Guess what? Some parrots can talk. They can copy human words: hello, good morning. Parrots love to live in warm places like the jungle and the rainforest. They are smart birds. They like to play, solve puzzles, and stay in groups. Parrots also take care of their babies with love. So remember, parrots are not just pretty, they are very smart and friendly too. Squawk, I'm a parrot. Bye bye, friends.